Team Stocks welcome you to the video prototype for round 2 of SIH 2020. We thank Smart India Hackathon for giving this beautiful opportunity to us. The basic idea is to use robots in places where the conditions are not suitable for humans, like ship tanks, septic tanks, where the atmosphere might be harmful to the cleaner. For such cases, we intend to build a robot to replace the cleaner using the basic applications of Arduino. We have divided the project in two parts, the animatronic hand, the gesture controlled robot, and these are the components used in building this project. I have given the list of components in the description as well. Both the parts are controlled with one transmission system fixed on this hand glove. It consists of an Arduino powered flex sensors and wireless data transmission modules. This basically is the brain which controls the whole system, which is further controlled by the operator wearing it. This simulation here shows the graphical representation of the ideal robot we believe to build. We have designed it keeping all the components and their connections in mind. This hand detects the gestures made by the operator wearing the glove and reacts to them. Flex sensors read the angle of each finger and transmit them to the robot. The robot takes the same angle of the finger and moves its fingers using the servo motor connected to each hand. The wrist movement determines the robotic vehicle to move in a desired direction. If the wrist is moved in forward direction, the vehicle moves forward. If the wrist is slightly tilted towards right, the whole system moves towards right, and thus we can move the whole system in any desired direction. Part 1 is the main operation of the project, where sub-operations are held. Here we will be using components like vacuum pipe, gas sensor, temperature sensor, and IR camera. All the components are fixed to these fingers. Part 2 primarily focuses on moving the part 1 from point A to point B. It is built using accelerometer applications. The wrist gestures are encoded and decoded using RF modules. The encoder and the RF module transmitter are in the transmission part, that is on the glove. The decoder and the RF receiver are connected to the wheels using a motor driver. Once a robot is built and sent into a tank, the gas sensor detects any sort of gas and measures it in ppm. The temperature sensor measures the temperature and humidity around. The IR camera captures the surrounding of the tank, and the pipe can be extended and connected to a vacuum pump to pump out any harmful gases. This vacuum pipe can be used to spray the interiors of the tank. This robot is highly efficient, easy to understand and operate.